Hello YouTube, welcome back to Great Lakes Silver Stacking. It's been a little while since I've done a video on my silver collection. It's been a very busy month at the United States Mint. August is probably the biggest month I've ever seen in terms of releases. I have a wall next to me of all of the confirmed orders, ranging from the Carson City and New Orleans Privy Marked Morgans, all the way to the Type 2 San Francisco Proof Silver American Eagles. I did order a lot. I probably have, between me and my whole family, probably about 20 confirmed orders of different items on the United States Mint. This, however, is a little bit special. I was not planning on making this purchase. However, I was on the website at the time and figured, why not? This is the 1/10 ounce 2-coin designer set for the US gold. Some of them are hand signed by the director of the mint. I was on the website just a little bit before noon. I figured, you know what, I'll give it a try. And I actually added it to the cart, tried checking out twice, and it wouldn't take. And finally, I got a confirmation on the third checkout, or the third attempt. And apparently these sold out in under 2 minutes. So I already did cut the tape. We're going to open it right here. Hopefully, I have a signed copy. I did not see, I've only seen one hand-signed copy on eBay right now, and those are currently selling for, the one that I saw sold for $2,000 even, and in the regular non-signed, they're going for about $1,000. So here's what the packaging looks like. Unfortunately, the packaging from the mint is not the greatest, but this was, I think, $6.45. Let us see. Oh my God. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. You guys, I got a hand-signed. My heart right now is pounding so fast. Does it tell you what number it is? Oh my God. Okay, we're not gonna touch that. That is absolutely insane. Okay. Holy cow. Damn. Sorry, that's what they look like. See if I can take them out, you guys. Woo! I'm shaking right now. Dang. So it looks like I was able to get a hand-signed copy of one of these. Very cool. I do have a lot more stuff from the mint coming, so if you want to follow along with that, definitely subscribe to the channel. Like always, thanks for watching, and have a great day.